If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there. Just wanted to bring you in here for the conclusion of this trade here, a 1 hour trade that I was in here on the USD JPY pair here. Just traded the final hour of this 2 hour contract for the 11 to 1 p.m. contract here. Let me go ahead and bring you over to the chart and show you exactly what's going on here in this final session here. So as you can see, just leading into the finality of this hour, you can see the bullish momentum here stepped in around the 25-minute mark. So I wanted to wait for a slight pullback against the trend, the concurrent trend going here, and look for a positive entry. So once we saw this pullback here on these two 5-minute candles, we started to see some long wick activity here. We did not have the Bollinger Bands, the center Bollinger Band, to act as a temporary supporting trend line, but what you do see is the curve going from the downward trend turning into the upward trend here. So we are seeing a turn, at least in the short term. And then also here you can see we remained above the 50 on the RSI. That was what garnered my entry here, and we had a nice entry at $80 per contract here for 2 contracts. So we're going to look at a nice $40 profit here in the short term just for holding this trade for about 5 minutes going into expiration here, just as we were crossing over that threshold, taking advantage of the in the money aspect but also the short expiration time remaining to capitalize on that. So winding down here, just 49 seconds for a great short-term profit here. Also, just as a brief recap, the month of October for shadow trading has been going fantastic so far. For the past 2 weeks, we've had 0 losses, a smaller amount of trades, but better profits and better positions all around. So you can't complain with that when it is quality over quantity here. That is what we like to focus on with the shadow trading group. Last night, our first session for this week here, another fantastic session with a profit of just around $23, excluding fees there, for a nice short-term position on Euro USD. So here we go, 2 seconds remaining. There we go. Fantastic, guys. So a fantastic short-term trade there on the USD JPY pair for a great $40 profit in the short term. As stated, I only held this position for about 5 to 7 minutes there. So a fantastic short-term profit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just as a brief recap, as you can see, we had this upward trend established, short pullback, and we rode it into expiration. So a quick one here for you guys today. If you want to learn more about how to find these perfect storm trading scenarios, then be sure to check out the resources in the description below. The top link being the Informed Traders Educational Package, where I cover exactly what I look for in these trade setups in a video by video, step-by-step series. In addition, we offer the shadow trading program, as you hear at the beginning and the end of the video, where we trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as of now. And as stated, you know, October has been going great thus far, and we look forward to continuing that momentum into November. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're all doing great out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.